Jazz Friend with 20 pips, Neon 50 pips, 19 pips, 13 1, 21 pips, 216, 44, 24, 30, 20, 30, 37, 170, 10, 26, 10 and 0, 15 pips, 29, 14, 30, 11 pips, 40 pips, 40, 182, 16 pips, 14, 3, 14, here on the Monday. In the free trial room, we got Amar with 10 pips, Benny 75 pips with 7-0. That's a new record for Benny. In the trial room, yeah, give me, here's bots with some scores. Let's do some scores for bots. There's 10 pips, 20 pips, 29 pips, 10 pips. 35 pips, 3-0, 16, 22, 37, 20, 53 plus 30, 52, 12, 40, 3, 10, 63, 40 pips, 21 pips, 24, 19 pips, 6-0, 35 pips for 17,005, 12 pips, 22, 34, 40 pips, 30 pips, 25 pips, 16 pips, 30 pips, 18 pips, what a day, 36, 5, 2, 10, 4, 47, 10, 3, 25, what a day, it's not over yet, he says. You happy? Bots, you happy? What a day. $30, 55. Johnny on the lag of a minute, 55 pips. Gee, you're good. Okay, thank you, bots. There's bots here. Bots in the room. Give me some scores, please. There's 10 pips, 10, 38, 20, 65, 20, 30-0, 19, 25, 15, 38, 10, $5,000 Batman with a 10, 25, 32, 20, 44, 35, 35, 72, 20, 51, 13, 31, 50. Wow. Gee, 83, 12, 10, 52, 36, 15, 42, 63, 116 pips for Nicholas, guys. Monica, 45, 30, 44, 25, 99, 99, Lisa. Come on, one more, Lisa. Humble Trader minus another. 2-0. Okay, are we ready? Let's do this for bots. Bots to you today. Amazing. Here we go. Give me some scores. 11 pips for Mac, 10, 5, 10 for Wolfman, 43 pips, 3-0, 5 pips, 12 pips, 20 pips, 3-0, 22 pips, 23 pips, minus 5, 12, 5, 3-0, 12, 2,400 for bots.